How's it going, guys? I'm back again, and I realised that after uploading my video that I had no sound, and I thought that video came together pretty well, so I didn't bother testing or editing it, which I will definitely do again every single time in the future to make sure I don't make a dick of myself. But for now, I'm just gonna re-record some gameplay of the orcs, so you can really get a feeling for how they play. As you can tell, they're big, brutish, loud, and he's got a gargant or a killer can or something on top of his ship just to show how orky he really is. Even the smaller ones have their own little effigies sitting atop their thrones. Smaller battering rams don't, they just rot guns on the roof. Let's just weld them to glass, good enough. Grot guns, set of eyes, some arms. I like this ship though, these seem to perform really well. Angry fish, I'm going to take to calling them. And then this dinosaur looking thing that's meant to be extremely good for a bit of maneuvering, but I've just found you can't go past this gunship for direct damage. Like, seriously, 48 direct damage every single shot. Can't go past it. Like, none of the other guns have got anything even right close. 4 damage. We got 4 damage. These grot guns are just useless. They fire a random amount, but it still does not add up to the armor penetration on this gun. And then you got these big fuckers. They're mega cannons. 144 damage. And then just lots of guns on the sides. I'm being legit with that, by the way. Lots of guns. Don't know what sort of guns they are. There's just lots of them. And then these guys have got the mega, oh no, the heavy cannons on the side, replacing the lots of guns. Prow guns. Yeah, just weak little shitty ones. Torpedo launchers. They're pretty useful. Fire them like just before you ram and you can do some significant damage. Let's go to a battle and this time actually have some sound when we go through kicking some ass. I think I'm going to start having a look at the multiplayer pretty soon. Have a play around with that. Got a 300 point battle, so I'll dump in my big guy, and as usual, as many of these savage gunships as I possibly can fit. In come the floating garbage cans. In the meanwhile, my dog and my cat are having a fight in my lap. I have a Kelpie, so it's a rather big brawl. Oh, I got transport ships. Why would the orcs protect transport ships? Okay. Never done this as an orc, so it's gonna be a bit strange. Huh. Once you place the transport ship, it changes the icon back to an Imperial transport. Orc transport ship. Looks like it's just got as many engines as the other ones do. Let's hope they keep up.
You got it!
Let's just gap it. Gap it! Everyone forward fire.
Okay. we'll go down speed! The fight is over here!
Little rockets just for the hell of it. Oh,
You got it,
torpedoes. This idiot's in the bloody field. Brace for impact.
Okay, we'll go down
You
speed!
brace for impact too.
What you want?
Who's that? Auger?
Here we go! Yeah? Enemy ship sighted! The fight is over here! You got it! More dagger! What you want? Get up! Can we go faster?
The hell are that? Oh, fighters. Okay.
You want us over here? Green is best. Let's show him.
Let's just slow him down.
Orks is best. He's ready.
Oh, you keep flying.
Move that space junk. Yeah. He's ready.
Hit the red button.
You got it. We'll get him, boss. Move that car.
Target the guns as a primary.
Yeah.
And let's launch the lightning strike.
He's ready. Orks is best. Get up.
Oh,
Orks is best.
we're going down. Let's fix you.
Reloaded.
Reload. Reload.
What you want?
Fast reload.
Orks. Get up. The fight is over here. Here we go.
And he's gone.
Can we go faster?
Everyone blast the shit out of these guys.
Yeah.
Blink ram! Didn't work. Or did it? I have no idea whether he blew up or whether he got away just then. I'm loving the blink ram too. Blink right up behind someone, ram them up the backside. Destroys their engines, destroys most of their core. Yeah, these fights just quick and easy. I don't like how much of a quickly deciding that they're going to jump away. The AI just jumps and runs every single fight, basically. I got 400 round. Can we get a favor? Oh yes, let's pick a favor. Blood axes get a Nova cannon and commando training. Evil Sun's tractor cannon. And a bigger red button. The Goths, this is going to be troops. Yeah, more boarding. More damage dealt in ramming. The Bad Moons get one extra upgrade. Okay. A really, really long range assault. I'm going Blood Axis. I'm going to get that Nova cannon slapped on the front of this ship. The wrong colours! Dark colours is wrong! blood axes are grey and black and red, similar to the Goths. I would have thought the death skulls would be in here rather than the blood axes, to be honest. Like, best looters in the galaxy, and they didn't put them on their ships? I don't believe that. What do these guys get if you get got? Oh, these guys can have Nova cannons too. Okay, that's definitely got to be the next step. %25% chance to destroy itself. Let's try it out. That just sounds like fun. After I've played a bit of the orcs, had my due with being ridiculously overpowered, I think I'll jump straight back to playing as Imperials, and I can't pick... Can't I pick small escorts? I like my escorts. Oh, I have to have at least one ship of the line. There we go. The only problem I'm finding with the orcs at the moment is I have a feeling they're going to be sitting ducks when the Eldar come in. The Eldar are going to rip shreds through the orcs. Just as easily as the orcs rip shreds through everything else that's not Chaos at the moment. Chaos can outmaneuver the orcs pretty well, and they've got nice long-range broadside lances. Make it a bit hard for the orcs to fight.
You got it! Orcs, orcs, orcs!
I don't know if that's a wider range. There's definitely a much, much further minimum engagement range. Go to the higher concentration.
Orcs is best.
At the moment they seem to be, mate. Not even close. And it blew up in the first shot. What a useless weapon. I suppose that would do a lot of damage if it did hit. Oh, 200. I blew up my prow gun too, damn it. And my torpedoes. Oh, that's not a nice weapon to have. That took a lot of my fighting out of me. Shit. Did not expect that.
Yeah? Hold on to something!
Oh, is that? Yeah, braced.
Yeah? What you want? Try to stop them!
Let's get the big fucker first.
We's ready. Enemy ships on deck!
Engines on the orcs.
what you want.
Oh, the way to go.
Put the escort ship in boat. Time to stomp 'em.
Take out the orc engines, and there's basically shit all they can do.
You got it. Orcs is best.
Ramming with light frigates. Not the smartest thing to do.
Reloaded! Enemy ship sighting!
He's gone.
More dagger! You got it! Here we go! Let's boys get to work, you lazy geeks! He's ready! Reloading! You got it!
Hey, leg it. Quick. The AI just, run away so quickly.
What you want?
Ooh, lucky that was braced, otherwise he would have just been killed instantly. And he's just pushed my ship out there for me. Oh no, still got killed. Frontal ram!
Okay, we'll go that speed. You want us over there? You got it.
That's another victory. But he bitched out again. Constant warpaways. It's not really... I don't know, it just doesn't feel as satisfying winning via warpaway. Especially orcs versus orcs. That just doesn't make any sense at all. But yeah. Thanks for having a bit of a watch. This time with sound. And if you'd be happy enough to leave a like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. See ya!